Well, Brett, we have 127 minutes.
That's for the battery life.
What about film?
The tapes are only an hour long, and that probably has 40 minutes on it.
Dang, alright.
We're bored now.
You look scared. Where'd my gun go?
Hello? I'm out again.
Oh, seriously. Where's my gun?
Give us the light right there.
I got it. Oh, I found it. Right. Oh, drop
I think my gun slipped off the side.
Oh, dang it. Oh, heck. That tree's definitely catching on fire. Get low. The tear gas will be ineffective. It's right there. Oh,
Father, pray for me if it ain't too much bother. Whatever don't break me and make me stronger. I feel like I can't take too much longer. It's too much lying and too much crying. I'm all crying out, you are crying. They all got the same bitch crying. They trying to convince me that I ain't trying to be I'm tired, sick of being sick and tired of living in the hood with shots of fire. We dying to live, so to live we dying. You just like dying.
All behind you. Oh, not a good one either. No more big.
it's not bad. I've been through worse than Vietnam.
Dude, don't run up on us, please. Just throw them in from where you are.
Right there.
Don't get back, no.
Oh, jeez, I'm landing on me.
Dude, don't run up on us, man. Just get back.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, God, that hit me. Did you see that? That hit me. Hey, go ahead. We better put this out.
Good accuracy.
I'm about to get my balls. That won't be cool. On me when I went off.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
What happened?
It blew up right in our faces.
Okay.
Hold on, stop, dude.
I'm out, dude.
I can't even hear.
My finger.
Here up in here.
No, hold on, dude. It blew up right here, dude.
I know, dude.
Got my finger, dude.
Oh, my ear.
Dude, Garrett, half the shit you thrown in here is down right in my face.
No, but I was like holding that when it went off. Like it was in my hand.
Dude, my ear feels like it's full of wax.
Oh.
When you guys talk, it's like,
on my finger, dude.
Stop laughing. I'm recording.
No, you aren't. There's
Yeah, I
a
am.
red light.
I'm pretty sure there's a red light and it says record. Okay, hey, you're the military forces, right?
so.
Here, can we use a shovel?